Hello. And we're at a car show. And there are cars everywhere. And we can't touch any of them. So, yeah. GTO. Viper.
65.
That's awesome. Mustang. Oh, this
They're going like Grandma had when we got married.
that
I'm not
one?
kidding you, yeah.
I
It's
love
exactly
that
like
car. I love that car.
it. Well, I mean, with the color, it was blue with a blue interior.
That is awesome.
Here, guys, turn around. We got your picture here.
Why did you get rid of it?
Because we were dumb.
Probably costs a lot of money,
Does
right?
it cost like a lot of money for gas? Or something? Do muscle cars cost a lot of money for gas?
Well, you don't really drive them all that much. Doesn't really.
I just hold it up to
I don't think they get all that good at gas.
Yeah, I wouldn't think so.
He's back here.
Yeah, guys, bye.